Hi everyone, for today's video guys is just unboxing this for double laptop stand, 13 to 15 inches laptops. So this is our box. This is a small box from Love 31. Ayan, this is not sponsored by Love 31. So, okay, let's go. I hope this is a good stand for laptop. So, I think I can use also for tablet. I don't know. I will see. And thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. I will give you guys how to see this, the review after. So what is it to open? Taran! So here we are. Ayan, okay. Paano ba to? Okay, so here is the, yeah, I think you can use also for tablets, not only for laptops. So this is the adjustment here. You can do like this, you can do like this, or more. So this is the maximum of adjustment. So you can do like this for your adjustment wherever you want. So, and easy guys, it's really how to say, it's really handy, you know. It's just like that. Anyway, this is plastic, it's not metal, so it's like a little rubberized. It's not, it's it's, I can say it's really handy and compatible. So we will see here. There's our, I think this is really good for tablet, and two gadgets you can use, either laptop or tablets, or I don't know if you can. No, it's not easy for telephone. So yeah, that's our vlog for today. Thank you so much. See you for the next vlog. So it's really handy, it's cute. You can put this on your bag. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Heart of PH. Bye everyone.